abakwazi iy'ngane zabantu ukuphila impilo yazo. Abantu abasakwazi ukuphosta nje into ey'qondene nazo. Banake nazo izingane zabantu. Ngiyazikhulumela phela le y'ngane ngoba zizele izingane zami. This. Tirelo this. Babhizi babhulishana ney'ngane zemizi yabantu abangazazi, abangahlangene nazo. Abantu nje kucaca ukuthi abana-life nje bahlalela ukunaka izingane ey'ncane. Lezi y'ngane ezincane bafowethu, yini eyenza abantu babe njeni? Emhlabeni nje abantu ave sebemuncu nje bakithi. Bamuncu nje abantu, awazi ukuthi yini ngampela. Hayi umnini angeke siyenze leyo nto hayi ufuna uyageza izitsha phela. Ayisedile ufuna geza izitsha, ufuna geza izitsha kushintshwana. Phela senza njalo la ekhaya. Ama-chores nje akhona. Bayashintshana khona obanzi khona umnini. Mase funa bafunde uzenzele. Ingane guys nina nifundisi yini? Funa sigeza izitsha.
Hello guys and welcome to my channel. This is your girl Okamzilikazi Kamashobane, and that's on period. We're back again with another video, and this is keeping up with the Mselegus. Well, Umayeni came for us over a live on TikTok talking about asiyekeni ukunaga ingane zabantu. Athi ngizobakhulumela because laba bangizalele abazukulu. So sashileke thina ke because manje we are being dragged laphayana on TikTok on Mayeni's account. She is calling us bitter uthi we are bullies. Sinaga izingane zabantu esingahlangene nazo. That is reference to Uvuyokazi and Utilero. Bear in mind, Labantu, we didn't know them until they popped up on our screens, and being grateful because this is their income, because we do watch Uthando Nesembu, Nengane Zesembu. So do they want us to only talk about the production and nothing else that goes on in their lives? I doubt it. Looking at the social media presence, Tirelo and Uvuyokazi took flights after Sasbabonile on screen. So really there's no way that Ngeke Sizwe Sikhulume ngabo and what's going on in their lives apart from what's going on, or they want us to see on Uthando Nesembu Nengane Zesembu. Well, unfortunately, Mayeni, this is also our livelihood ukuthi sikhulume ngezindaba zabantu. So here on this channel, we will continue to talk about the Mselegu family and anyone attached to them. That is Uvuyokazi, because she will forever be attached to the Mselegu family, whether she likes it or not. Well, it's been a minute since we interacted, so I would like to hear your opinion in the comment section. And do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I, Intombi Yakamzilikazi Umashobane, I will see you on the next video. Goodbye.